Hey, what's up, guys? Thanks for joining us. Welcome back to another episode of Nino and Lo. Come along as we catch up with Nino, his dad, and Chris as they continue along their island tour of Jamaica.
We are now entering into the famous Montego Bay hip strip with all the attraction. To the left here we have a new park that's just been developed, and it's an extension of Walter Fletcher Beach. If you ever visit this area on a day when there's various amount of cruise ships that have docked in Montego Bay, you cannot find a spot on this beach. It is so crowded with tourists that is disembarked from the cruise liners to enjoy the famous Doctor's Cave Beach on the hip strip. Just to the right here is a hotel under renovation. I believe that was the old Wexford Hotel that's currently under renovation. And just to the left is the site of the old hospital, the old Montego Bay Hospital. Pelican Grill to the right, and just around the corner here on the left, you will find Margaritaville. There we are, famous Margaritaville, great nightclub, live entertainment. And to the right here is Coral Cliff. Coral Cliff, they've got a casino there. They've got some great entertainment there nightly. So as we move along, we'll see various gift shops and salon, duty-free parlors and so on, all along this stretch of highway. Just ahead there, the high-rise building you see there, that's the Montego Bay Club. And that building has been around for as long as I've been alive, because I do remember that building when I was a little boy. To the right, you see the Harley Davidson, Jamaica. And again, many more gift shops and stores. The white building up ahead there, that's a Spanish Court Hotel. It's a boutique hotel. I would say probably around no more than 5 years old. It's fairly new. And to the right, we've got Deja, formerly the Gloucester Hotel. And we're gonna swing back to our left. This is the entranceway, the brown top building there. That's the entranceway to the Doctor's Cave Beach, right next to Starbucks. This hotel here is to the right, the Fantasy Resort. It's currently on a renovation, and it has been for an awful long time. Not sure when they're gonna open that again. But we continue on the way here. We're gonna head straight ahead down to what they call Dead End Beach. And it's one of the few beaches in Montego Bay area that is frequented by locals, as it's one of the only one that has been free of cost for a long time. No admission to get on that beach. So I remember as a kid, we used to come down here, just to the left here, it was, we used to call it Sunset Beach back in the day. Just this little patch of sand. You still might see a few people swimming over there. Not a whole lot, but so the vibes on the dead end continues. And you can see all the weirs. Check out this is Clive. Clive's got all his weirs right at the dead end beach. Some of his weirs. And down here, you can feel a nice vibe down here. You know, Fati's over here with her, setting up her little stand with all her beverages.
Famously fried all over the world, the best fried
Alright, that's just Fati.
Fati a dead end.
Fati a dead end, sell the best saltfish you can find. Only in Jamaica. The vibe get built. Come check it out. Montego Bay Dead End. Wicked vibe. Famous Doctor's Cave Beach, guys. Montego Bay, Jamaica. The place to be, let me tell you. This place, on a day when they got cruise liners in, it's just absolutely packed. It's a beautiful beach. It's got a featured bar with all sorts of alcoholic, non-alcoholic beverages. Not to mention food. The food is off the chain. But you gotta check this out though, guys. It's a great place to be. Hang out, chill, and just have a good time. It's a family environment that just lends itself to nothing but fun. Right off the front of the Dr. Beach, you see the Montego Bay Club Tower. People just enjoying the beach. The water is warm. The day is lovely. Oh my goodness. Jamaica it is. Check that out. They're just having a party on that boat over there. Let me tell you, this is a fun time at this place. Yeah. Right here in Montego Bay and Dr. Beach. And guess who I'm running into? My good friend Shaka Zulu, the one and only Shaka Zulu. Come in, Ras. See him there? 30 years of friendship. We go way back.
Way back, friend.
Big up yourself, Shaka.
Long time. Bless you.
See the dread, eh? When you come to Dr. Beach and you come to Montego Bay, ask for Shaka at the beach bar in Montego Bay, Dr. Beach.
Yeah, man.
Big up yourself.
Big up yourself for dinner.
Right here on the beach in Negril, just hanging out, you know, Sunday beach, and check out my man here. That's Patrick here. Patrick is a lobster man.
The lobster, man. I mean,
Check out his tent. He's got some delicious lobster.
Yeah.
So you ever see Patrick on the beach? Check him out. He's the man with the lobster.
yeah, and these lobsters never been in the refrigerator, okay?
Fresh out of the water.
From the ocean straight into the pot.
Guys, check out this amazing view. Check that out. That's a natural river waterfall in Williamsfield, Jamaica. Check that out. If that's not the prettiest. That looks like Niagara Falls on steroids. Beautiful, free-flowing. Where's that, Chris? Check that out. Taking my time, making my way down. That's not beauty. Welcome to Jamaica. The beauty of that, the natural rock formation of this beautiful falls in Westmoreland, Jamaica. Williamsfield, Jamaica. Absolutely lovely. There's Chris in the back there just enjoying a soak. I actually made my way. I made my way into the water, guys. I'm down. Look at that. At least got my feet in. Hey, guys, I hope you've enjoyed this journey, this epic journey throughout Jamaica. Now that I've come back and reunite with my dad after a year and a half of COVID restrictions, we had a wonderful tour all around the island with myself and Daddy and Chris. And I certainly hope you enjoyed it. And I hope to see you soon. And I hope you'll be watching all future episodes. So I'll be flying out tomorrow, so I won't be seeing Daddy again. So right now I'm just saying my goodbyes, and I hope to see you soon watching future episodes and enjoying them. So you take care and bless up yourself. Well, as they say, all good things must come to an end. Well, I certainly hope you enjoyed this episode of Nino and Lowe's tour the island from all ends and enjoy some wonderful family time and friendship and seeing local sites. But we had a wonderful time. We had a blast with this episode, and I certainly hope you did as well. And we look forward to seeing you in all future episodes. Take care.